Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you my recent favorite way to tie my silk scarf. If you like this type of video, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So if you know me well, you know that I really like this scarf, not only just for the silk ones, but recently I have been keeping these silk ones in my handbags. So whenever I go anywhere right now, especially it's winter, I sometimes will feel cold and it really helps to keep my neck warm. I have this 90 by 90 silk scarf in my handbag recently. Okay, this is how it looks. The first thing that we will do is that we have to fold it to a triangle, and then we have to fold it a couple more times to make it a really long ones. Okay, now I have my scarf folded into a really long ones. Now all the preparations is being done. So now you just put it on your neck. Once you have it on your neck, you have to make sure in the bottom, this is even in the bottom here. And now let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is put your right ones to the left, on top of the left, and then you do another round, the right on top of the left. And then what you do is that once you get to the left the second time, you make it from the back to the front, and then you keep it on the right hand side, like so. And now your hand has to go down from the left hand side circle, and you put the left hand side to the right and go over the right hand side and go into the circle like so. And that was it. But now the next step is that you have to organize everything together to make it very pretty. Okay, once you organize, it will look like so. So this is your final look, like so. So I have been really loving this method. It looks like you have a ring in the top, but actually you do not. Then guys, this is about it. If you like this type of video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, please comment down below. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.